Hello everybody, Yellow Mustang here again with another Roblox game development series, episode, thingamabobber, whatever you want to call it. We're back again, back with our game here. And last time we were working on enemy spawning, but today, hopefully we can start making some AI logic for our lizard man so he does stuff instead of just dying. Actually, we should probably do Ragdoll for him today, but before we do that, I would like to fix, is it damage? Yeah, so I don't want, so the issue with the, I should take note of what I'm doing here. So what I don't want is the damage billboard GUIs to like fall through the earth because they're attached to the humanoid root part, which is can collide equals false. So it means when the AI dies, the humanoid root part falls through the earth, and then the hit markers or hit damage tracker thing like falls through the earth with it. So I want to stop that from happening. So I think we can set the parent to be workspace, and then we could just change the billboard dot world position. I thought maybe not. Shit. Did I have? Okay, let's put a billboard GUI in here and see what we thought. I thought there was like a world position or some shit we could use. It might be studs offset world space. Yeah, that's got to be it. Okay, so studs offset world space equals target dot main. What is this shit called? Like the main primary part dot position. Okay, so hopefully that just moves the billboard GUI into the correct position, but then when shit breaks apart, it won't matter. Okay, well that looked fine, but the issue is with the lizard people, so lizard people, please show yourself. Okay, there. Now when he dies and falls apart, the billboard GUI damage tracker things keep floating up instead of doing other things. Okay, cool. That's much better already. Okay, so let's work on everybody's favorite enemy here, the lizard. So people were saying we should do Ragdoll with him, and I agree. I want to do Ragdoll. That's definitely the plan. So let's go ahead. We'll do Ragdoll, whatever. Torso. We got to create some attachments in here. Go create attachment torso. Okay, so we got it facing the right way, so we'll just move this up here and just name this alarm attach. Just keep track of that there, and then we'll do the same thing for the other side. Create another attachment. So yeah, so as we're doing this, I would like to thank you guys for all the support you guys have been showing me over these last couple months since my infamous return back to YouTube. I know we got a lot of new faces in the Yellow Mustang community, a lot of old faces as well, still lurking around for some reason. But I'm glad we're all here, one happy family. It's really, really great. We're getting close to 1,000 subscribers, which is insane. Sure, nobody thought we would make it this far. I didn't think we were going to make it this far, so now people are wondering, what are we going to do for the for 1,000 subs? And you know, that's a good question. Maybe we should just delete the channel at 1K subs. Just like call it quit while we're ahead, and then just that's the end of Yellow Mustang. That might be a good idea. You know, just stop before we get too cringe here. But maybe we can keep going. Maybe we can make this into something good, like I don't know, I don't know how many subscribers. I don't know if people are going to keep subscribing. I don't know if we can continue this train of success, but hopefully we can because I enjoy doing this. Like, it's fun. Okay, this is left. This is definitely fun to do, and I think that's partially why my videos are successful because, I mean, it's not work if you enjoy doing it, so it really helps out. It's like other YouTubers just like hate making videos and like replying to comments, all that shit. No, it's like I love the attention, love doing it. Right leg attach. Okay, so we got all these. So basically, all we got to do is like ball and socket constraints for each of these. It's really easy to do this on a damn R6 figure, but it's hard because this guy has so many parts. So, yeah, let's go ahead. We'll create the constraint in here, I guess. So, ball socket constraint. This has to be disabled. So, we'll enable this once he dies so we can delete the leg motor or whatever, and then he will collapse on the ground like a dead body, I guess. All right, so we'll just set part 1 to... Shit. What am I doing? I need more attachments. Damn it. All right. Let's create an attachment here. Let's continue on. But yeah, so anyways, with as I was saying, 1,000 subs. I'm planning on doing a tank video. Because I've had that in the works for a long time. I've been developing it for a couple months now, and I've got it working pretty well. I posted it on Reddit a while ago, and it got like 1,000 upvotes, so people were pretty hyped about it. It's a pretty decent tank. So I think we'll do that. People have been asking for a helicopter lately too, like all at once too. It was like 3 people asking for a helicopter. I was like, oh shit, people want a helicopter. All right. It's kind of complicated because like Roblox doesn't have any pathfinding for flying objects, you know what I mean? Like you got to do it all yourself through like raycasting and all of that good stuff. So like it's a pain in the ass. It's really difficult, but I started working on it using like body position and body gyro, and it's actually coming along pretty decently. So you guys can look forward to that in a long time once I get it working pretty decently. All right, so we need another ball socket constraint here as well. Attachment 0 is here. Attachment 1 is in the torso. This is the left leg. Attach. Okay, cool. Money. G money. Alright, so next attachment. How does this motor work? The neck motor. So it's just based off of the head. Alright. So let's make an attachment on the head, I guess. I don't know if that's gonna work though. Yeah, maybe let's not attach it to the head, because I think if we do like a ball socket constraint from the head to the torso, I think the head's gonna like teleport on top of the torso, and then the neck is gonna be like glitching through the space-time continuum there. So maybe we can just do neck main. Is that where we want it? Is the neck main or the neck like back? It's kind of like in an awkward position. Oh god, decisions. We'll just do it here, whatever. Just send it. Alright, so neck main, and then we'll create another ball socket constraint. Oh shit, have I been disabling these? I don't think I have. And then we want neck attach. Cool. Great. Alright, so let's go ahead. We'll disable all these ball socket constraints so they don't interfere with our animation. Did I do the arms? I don't think I did the arms. Let's do the arms before I get too ahead of myself here. So what is it? Right shoulder, left shoulder? So I have that welded. Alright, so let's start with the right shoulder, I suppose. Alvin Blocks here. God, I don't know why I watched that guy. He used to be like a kid, and then his voice changed, and now he's like not a kid anymore. It's pretty amazing. It's like he went through puberty so fast. All right, so right shoulder now, left shoulder. But yeah, our channel obviously strives to be like Alvin Blocks. You know, he's got a shitload of subs. I want a shitload of subs as well. I love submarines, Subway sandwiches, all of that shit. I do not like the subway though. Like with the train, not a big fan. I'll tell you what. What the hell? Wait, what did I do? No, we're okay. I'm insane. All right. Constraint. Yeah, it's hard to like do like these very complicated like tasks. Like they're very tedious and very simple, but if you're talking while you're trying to do this shit, like it's like lose track of what you're doing. All right, so left arm attach. Cool. All right, hopefully this doesn't look like dog shit when I'm done and it doesn't glitch out. Let's do the other arm. Make sure this is disabled. Right shoulder. Okay, so one more. Ball socket constraint. Should be good. Disable this. Create attachment, and then this is right shoulder, so we'll connect it to the right arm. Cool. Man, yeah, you guys are getting a break from the scripting extravaganza that's been going on lately. Now we're back to the basics. Basic constraints and shit. Alright, so that should be good, I guess. Alright, so in the humanoid, I know what we want to do is like toggle off break joints on death. And we want to go into here. I'm tired of programming. So my human died, connect, function. So basically all the motors we want to delete are in the torso, so that makes it pretty easy for us. And somebody, Cat, was, critiquing my code as he does, and he was saying we don't need wait for child humanoid. Just use script.parent.humanoid, and yeah, we can probably just do that. I don't know, it was just a habit of mine. Probably can stop doing it because it's messing with the autocomplete. Yeah, so let's go ahead. So my human died. We can do for IV in I pairs. My torso. Get children. Do V destroy. Actually, speaking of get children, people were like freaking out. Well, not freaking out, but they were telling me like, don't do the thing with the players in the get children. Where is it? What script was I in? It was like enemy spawner, I think. I used get children somewhere. No, I didn't. No, I fixed it. Oh, I thought there was an error here. I thought I used the wrong get children, get players. I guess they were just suggesting. Okay. Anyways, false alarm about that. I was using get children at one point when I was troubleshooting, and then switched it back to get players, and people were saying, don't use get children. Use get players. It's better. Okay, so 4 IV in pairs. Okay, so this is going to destroy all of the motors in the torso, which will be good, and then do 4 IV in I pairs. Script.parent. Get descendants. Do, and then we could do if V is a what is this shit called? Ball socket constraint, then V dot enabled equals true. And then we do need to do one more thing in here before I destroy everything. We need to do if V is a motor 6D, then continue. Alright, so there we go. So only destroy the motor 6Ds, and then it should fall down and stay together. And then ball socket constraints will be enabled. So that should work, right guys? That's totally gonna work, right guys? As you know, my codes always does. Holy shit. It actually worked. Amazing. Awesome. So you see his legs like split apart, and he's not like, all right, yeah, that worked pretty well. All right. Everything is going so well today. Let's spawn a few of these guys in here. Wait, I thought I put you in. What? Did I just clone him? Oh, I put the figure in the enemies. Oops. Why do we even still? Why are you even here, figure? No one wants you here. All right, let's keep going here. Let's get this guy spawning now, and then I guess we can work on the AI logic for like 5 minutes. Yeah, that's cool. I want. Let's see. I don't want this thing to say lizard here. The health bar is okay, but I don't want it to have a name. So how do we do that? Display. This turns off everything, doesn't it? So let's see here. If I change the health to be 75. Yeah, I want there to be a health bar, but I don't want the... Oh god. Subject. Oh, whatever. Display when damaged. Can we just do always on? Name occlusion. See, I don't understand what name occlusion is. Like, I don't want it to... I don't want anybody to be able to see the lizard's name. Name display. Maybe if we just change this to 0. There we go. I guess that'll work. That's kind of a cheat, but whatever. Maybe we should lower this to like 50 as well. And then let's put this back to 100 health. Should be fine. And then we can go into enemies, put them there. And then we go ahead and run this. Make sure that all works fine and dandy. Then yeah, we can do like a whole 30 seconds of AI logic. Where are you, lizard man? I know you're here. Okay, there we go. So we're gonna do like a death animation for these guys as well. All right, wait. Yeah, we'll do a death animation for him soon, but let's get some logic in here, I guess. Lizard. I probably should have kept that figure because, like, no, it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna program it like a normal AI that I normally do. Should we just keep this animation? I mean, we could just combine it into one script. We could do separate scripts, whatever. So we got one for animation, and then we'll do one for lizard AI. Boom. All right, and so it begins. So local my human, equals script.parent, humanoid, local my, this thing has a humanoid root part, doesn't it? So my root equals script.parent, humanoid root part. Okay, cool. So we'll do like function find target. As always, it's gonna look familiar if you guys have seen my videos before, all my NPC ones at least. I always do the same formatting. So we'll do local dist equals 1000, I guess, and then local target equals nil, and then we'll do for iv and I pairs. How am I gonna do this? Game.players get players do. Yeah. So we do local human equals v.character find first child humanoid. Well, I mean, they're all gonna have humanoids, right? So there's no point in even checking that. So we'll do local root equals v.character find first child humanoid root part. Okay, so as long as they have the root part, like they are in the workspace somewhere, then this should identify them. So we'll do if root, then if something, let's go ahead and set up our check dist function as well. So function check dist part 1, part 2, return part 1 dot position minus part 2 dot position dot magnitude. Okay, so if check dist my root, and then root is less than dist, then continue. We'll do local target equals root, local, oh wait, no, we don't need local in there, just target. What the? Alright, so local target is root, and then dist, just update the distance, so check dist, my root, okay. And then return target. Cool. Okay, so that should identify a target for us. And look at that, we're already 21 minutes in. Okay, so we'll go ahead and continue this next time, but I would like to thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. Oh, fuck. I can't believe you've done this. Oh, fuck.
We're number one.